Hey guys, welcome to Discord. So this will be the new CMA community setting. It's a more interactive setting, and I want to provide something additional this year where we have a little bit more interaction with each other instead of just a Facebook group where I post announcements and questions and notifications about questions often get lost inside the newsfeed. And here inside of Discord, it's a much more interactive way of reaching out to each other. And you will see this welcome screen at the beginning once I verified your account. So how does that look like? So if we go to an incognito window, and I'm going to paste in the link that I will also paste inside the actual post that I am reaching you out on, then you will get to see something like this. You have an account and then log into account. I will log into a separate account and let you see how it will display towards yourself. So as you can see, I'm now logged into Discord, and the only thing that you will see is this get access section, right? Don't mind the exclamation mark on the left-hand side, because that is Discord incentivizing you to create your own server instead of joining an existing one like the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. So in order to get access, you will need to open a ticket. And then from here, you will see a new channel popping up. And this is the ticket that you just created. So if you press this, you can go here, and then you can type in the email address that you signed up with for the CMA when signing up, right? And then also your Facebook profile name. So I can match you as a verified CMA member. So if I'm just going to press something, this will be John, let's say at smith.co, and then let's say John Smith. There we go. Now, if I go back towards my main account, so let's switch, I will see a new ticket here. And here I will see all the information that you just shared, right? And if I say I'm going to claim the ticket, I'm now also going to give you the proper role permission. So if I'm going to verify you as a member, then you will see that all the channels will pop up for you. So if we're going to take a look, I'm just going, well, I can also go here and say I'm going to make you a member and uncheck the verified role. Just make sure that it is unchecked. There we go. And if we go back now, you will see that you now have access to all the available channels inside the community. So what does it all contain? So if I just say close ticket, that's fine. Confirm. There we go. Ticket closed. We don't need it anymore. Let's begin at the welcome screen, where you will see a nice introduction welcome. As you can see, welcome to the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator, a few just a short introduction message, some useful links as well, which you can always take a look at, right? So we have the official website, which will go towards the membership LMS section, so you can always easily press from here. Then I also link my official YouTube channel. And if you did not subscribe, I would appreciate it if you do, because at a certain threshold of subscribers, I will unlock certain features on the channel, which will also in turn help me out reach more people. Then we have the Facebook page of the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator, so not the Facebook group, but the page itself. So this is also useful for you, because if you go here, you can interact directly with the messenger bot and then get access through the chatbot as well, right? For whatever reason you need to contact me in private, you will have this specific section, so you can contact me in private as well. Then we will have some rules, guideline rules for the Discord server, so just read it at your own time. Then we also have some mods. And this is not a channel where you can reply in. This is just a welcome channel to provide you with some additional links, introduction, and such. So if we go towards announcements, right? Here I will post all the different kinds of updates regarding mini apps, templates, membership updates, and so on and so on. Again, this is not something that you can reply on. This is just an update, basically an announcement board of all the features that constantly get updated inside of the membership itself. Then we have the off-topic chat, where you can ask any generic questions like maybe stuff about conversational marketing, chatbots, something not related towards the CMA, so not related towards the membership, and we can have a little bit of a chit-chat going back and forth that way, right? So it's also a good way to interact with other members. If they are online, you can also go and interact here. Then we have the CMA questions, and these could be generic CMA posts that you can create, just like on the Facebook group. You can just say new post, give it a title, give it a message, and also do apply a tag, because this allows anyone inside the Discord to quickly search through the different kinds of posts. So if there are feature requests, it's useful for me to have these post tagged as such, because it will provide me with a good overview of what you as a member would like to see next, right? So do make use of these tags, and if you need any additional tags, just let me know and I will add them. But as an example, if we're going to grab this, enter your topic here, this is just an example post. You can also provide an image, of course, and then also have some comments as well to clarify or to reply towards that specific post. So these are all public, and these are basically used as a forum where you can search through to see if your question has already been asked, and if not, you can post a new one here. So I hope that's clear as well. Then we have the support section, and the support section is if you have any issues with your account, with a template, with a mini app, anything related towards a specific issue you have with your membership, you can go towards support and you can submit a ticket here. So if you say open ticket, it will open a new ticket. As you can see here, a new ticket just has opened, right, under this specific step. And then from here, I will claim the ticket, but you can clarify what the issue is. Right, so with what issue do you have? Also, if you have any video recordings or images, screenshots to clarify what your specific issue is, then do add them and I will be able to respond to them. So it's a really easy way of providing ticket support of sorts, but still in a conversational manner. Besides these sections, of course, we also have a live section, and inside the live section, as you can hear, you might already hear, there's also a little bit of as you can hear, a little bit of a background music, but if you do not, just try it out yourself and you will see that this is basically a live session where I can go live with you guys, interact with you, provide updates, provide workshops and stuff like that as well. You can also mute the music if you find it a little bit irritating, and you can also disconnect at any given time. So these are the new community channels right now. So it's a much more interactive experience, I think. And I will also be available inside live chats, of course. And it provides a really, really convenient way of providing you with a next level experience and next level kind of community. So do apply towards this new community group if you want to have these kinds of interactive experiences. The Facebook group I will leave as is. There will not be any specific new updates there. The new updates, new features, integrations and such will be shared here, as it's, as mentioned, a lot easier to do so. And it will make sure that I will always get a notification as soon as someone asks a specific question. So I hope to welcome you here really, really soon. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk to you hopefully inside of Discord.